Introducing Build a Garden Oxeye Daisy outline stamp set with lots of gorgeous sentiments. Have a look at the layering guide. Inside you see the layering guide on the right, a card example with the supplies used below on the left to help you complete that project. And when we open it, you see another project with the supplies used to create that. In the center, you see the inks used to create the image shown, as well as throughout the stencils we will use to color our outline image. And speaking of stencils, we have a 5-piece layering stencil set this month in a size we don't see all the time, the 4.5 by 6, which is fabulous. You also get a mini blending tool to add beautiful color to your project, and a die set that cuts the outline image as well as the bolded sentiments with some little sentiment strips included to cut the sub-sentiments. We'll begin with stencil number 1, and I'm going to get that taped into place with some satin masking tape because my image is the size of my sticky mat. We'll be using Citrus Burst on this first layer of the flower, except for the leaf. The leaf we'll be using Sea Forest. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this stencil. We'll clean it and we'll move on to stencil number 2. At the top of stencil 2, we're going to get that aligned, and we'll be using Fresh Lemon on all of the openings on the top of stencil number 2. That'll create some more of our beautiful petals for this daisy. Next, we'll clean our stencil and move to the bottom of stencil number 2. We'll get that taped into place, and then we're going to go ahead and use the gorgeous honey drizzle on this section of the stencil. Next, we'll move to stencil number 3. On this entire stencil, once we get it aligned perfectly in position and taped into place, we will be using Lemonade Stand. Such a beautiful, beautiful color. I love this arrangement, especially for like a fall arrangement to send to a friend. Such a wonderful color combination. Now we're moving to stencil number 4. For the inside of the daisies, we will be using Frayed Leaf ink, and for the leaves, we will be using Sea Forest. So I'll get to that. It's always important to check your layering guide if you're following along to make sure where you're applying which colors. Of course, we also love to see when you choose colors and share those projects with us as well. On stencil 5, our last stencil, we're going to get that aligned into position and taped into place. We'll use Forest Glades for the centers of the flowers and Mangrove Root for the detail on the leaves. And that'll complete our layering for the Build a Garden Oxeye Daisy stamp set. I hope this video was helpful in layering your set together. Coming up, we have some fabulous inspiration from our fantastic designers. To find out more about Build a Garden Oxeye Daisy and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.